In this video, let's see the first numerical problem based on rate of change of quantities in the chapter of application of derivatives. The first problem says radius of a balloon is increasing at a rate of 10 centimeter per second. So, they are talking about a balloon and its radius is increasing. Maybe it's being inflated, that is why the radius is being increased, and that we do not know, right? So, radius is being increased and the rate of change of radius is 10 centimeter per second. It says at what rate is the surface area increasing? Now, when it has talked about the change of radius, it is asking you about the rate of change of the surface area when the radius is 15 centimeter. So, how to do these type of questions? It's the first question, let's take in more detail. It's talking about a balloon. Now, a balloon is a spherical thing, right? Now, the rate of change of radius 10 centimeter per second, that means the time variant quantity we are talking about. That means the radius is changing with respect to time. So, if I name the radius by r, it has been given that the radius has been changed with respect to time and the rate of change is something called as 10 centimeter per second. Fair enough, right? Now, if radius was initially r, it is increasing and it is talking about the surface area also. What is the surface area of a sphere? It is nothing but 4 pi r square, that we know. Since you have to appear for a subjective paper as well, so you will be writing let radius of the balloon be shown by r, let surface area is shown by s, then s is equal to 4 pi r square, that is up to you, right? Now, we have to talk about the rate of change of the surface area. So, we have to basically differentiate it. So, it is ds by dt is equal to 4 pi being constant, let us not change it, d by dt of r square. Fair enough? Because we have to talk about the change that appears with respect to time. Now, ds by dt we have to find out, we have no clue what will happen to it. 4 pi, yes we know, is a constant. Differentiation of r square with respect to time. Now, firstly it should be 2r, then by chain rule it should be dr by dt, that you know, right? Now, what is r? R is the radius. What was the radius that we have to see? Radius is given to us as 15. So, basically we have to talk about ds by dt when my r is equal to 15. So, directly we can put the value. So, it is 4 2s are 8 pi multiply by 15 multiply by dr by dt. What is dr by dt? It is nothing but 10. From equation 1, here you can write from 1 if you wish to, although these are very short questions, there is no need to make equations also. What is the answer? 15 8s makes it 120 into 10, which is 1200 pi. Now, the units are as important as the magnitude. You see that you have written 1200 pi and you write answer, you will be losing marks. Not full marks you will get. Why? Because ds by dt, if dr by dt means the radius units is centimeter, time units is second. So, ds by dt centimeter square per second. Now, that is the answer and that will fetch you the whole marks.